Hello, now I will introduce you our high volt battery systems. For these systems, it has 11 battery modules in series, and this one is high control box. And for this system, at least need 4 battery modules in series and max support 12 battery modules in series. And for one battery module, it's 51.2 volt and 100 ampere hours, and built-in BMS. Okay, and the whole system is easy installation and maintenance. For example, you can see everyone we put into it and screw on the rack. And at the bottom, it has the rack blanket to support. So it's easy to installation, and we provide safe and reliable product because we have strong quality department, which will test and aging the product before the shipment. And we use the grade A battery, long cycle life battery cells. So it's very good and perfect. It's best seller in our company. I strong recommendation this product. It's very easy to installation. Okay, and also we for this one battery cabinet is option. If you consider the cost, you can select it or not. And for the battery system, we can do one battery cabinet, two, a second, third, fourth. Every battery cabinet can parallel through the inverter. Okay, thank you.